In this class, we are going to discuss about significant figures. Significant figures means the number of figures which are important in their count is called as significant figures. For example, if you are considering the distance between two cities, the distance between two cities are 352 or 53. Then see 352 or 353. 352 or 353. That means we are saying that 350 up to 350 the distance is correct. So these two are certain. And here we have doubt on this. It may be 352 or around 355 like that. So this is uncertain. So if the number is with all figures in the number are certain and it is having one uncertain figure, then we call that as a significant figure. We call that as significant figure. And here the significant figures are three significant figures are here. Three significant figures. And here we have to follow some rules for the significant figures. So the rules are like this. The first rule is all non-zero figures or all non-zero digits comes under significant figures. All non-zero digits will come under significant figures. For example, you consider that 3522. So here these all are non-zeros. So the number of significant figures in this number is 4 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all non-zero digits comes under significant figures. And zeros, if we consider zeros between non-zeros are significant. Zeros between non-zeros are significant. We consider a number 1002. So here these two zeros are between two non-zero figures. That means 1 and 2. So here these two zeros are also significant figures. So total significant figures are 4 significant figures we have here. And these two zeros are called as confined zeros. Whenever the zeros are between two non-zero digits, then the two zeros are considered as confined zeros. Now coming to the next rule, leading zeros are not significant figures. For example, you consider a number like this 0.002. So here these are leading zeros coming before 2, or these are left of a number. So that's why these are not significant figures. So here the number of significant figures are only one significant figure. 2 is the significant figure here. Or you may take one more 0.023. So here you can consider only 2 significant figures. These two are significant, these two are not significant figures. So which are coming left side of the number or comes under non-significant figures. If the zeros comes left side or leftmost, then they are considered as not significant numbers. And next, if you consider trailing zeros means trailing zeros are considered as significant numbers. Trailing zeros after a decimal. Trailing zeros after a decimal are considered as significant figures. for example, I am considering 92.00. These zeros are after a decimal. So here the number of significant figures are 4 significant figures. Why? Because after a decimal, these zeros indicates the accuracy of the number. Here you may have 92.12. So the accuracy, it indicates the accuracy. If you keep one more zero, that zero also comes under a significant figure here. So the zeros after a decimal will be a significant figure. And next rule, if a whole number is placed with the decimal. Actually, if you take a whole number, we can't place a decimal after the, for example, you consider 320. This is a whole number. If a decimal is placed after the whole number, then the 3 digits will be significant. That means here 3 significant figures are there. And same rule can be placed like this. If a whole number is placed without decimal, then see, same 320 I am writing here, then here the number of significant figures are only 2 significant figures. Why? Because 0 can't be counted there. So for a whole number, if there is decimal, then 0 also will be counted. If there is no decimal, we won't count the 0. And coming to the next one, an exact number have infinite number of significant figures. An exact number will have infinite number of significant figures. That means I am considering as 1 meter. So 1.00 I wrote here, meter here, and the significant figures are 3 significant figures. I wrote the same number as 1.00 meter. So the significant figures are 4. So we can put as many as zeros as possible to make that number accurate. So exact number will have infinite number of significant figures. And if I consider a number here, 100.3. So how many significant figures are there in this? According to the rule number 2, these zeros are between 2 non-zeros. Whether decimal is there, don't consider. These 3 zeros are between 2 non-zeros. So total 5 significant figures are here. If I want to emit this 3, if I emitted the 3, what happens? It will be 1000. And if I place a decimal there, according to the rule here, 5th rule, whole number, if this is a whole number and decimal is placed here, decimal point, so 4 significant figures are here, and the same number without decimal if I placed, so these 3 are zeros and no non-zero number is here and no decimal also, so only 1 significant figure comes. This is about an exact number. And now if you consider about scientific notation, scientific notation in the sense, if you consider a multiple or submultiple number like this, 24 into 10 power 5. So, and this same number can be written as 240 into 10 power 4. And the same number can be written as 2400 into 10 power 3. So if you consider the significant figures, this 10 and 5 are not significant, and this 10 and 4 are not significant, 10 and 3 are not significant, only 2 4 are significant. That means 2 significant figures are here, 2 4 0. 3 significant figures are here, 2 4 0 0. 4 significant figures are here. So this is about the scientific notation.